Well, Ananya Pandey is en route to the NCB office for questioning. Meanwhile, India Today has accessed exclusive drug chats between actor Ananya Pandey and Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. Divyesh continues to be with us on that story, and it is these chats accessed by India Today, Divyesh, that goes on to show that there was some sort of a nexus and that Ananya Pandey was in a position to supply drugs even to Aryan Khan, and that she was in fact doing so not once, but she did it a couple of times.
There are multiple chats that have been recovered from Aryan Khan's mobile phone. And remember, now Ananya Pandey's mobile phone has been taken by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and it has been with Narcotics Control Bureau since yesterday afternoon. So the process of extracting dump data from Ananya Pandey's phone had already begun. They had hired some experts to extract that dump data, and that dump data is being analyzed by Narcotics Control Bureau officials. So that could be the reason that the NCB officials were taking time, and the schedule for Ananya Pandey was shifted to 2:30 p.m. Ananya Pandey, remember, has just left from her residence in Bandra and could arrive in, say, 40 minutes at the Narcotics Control Bureau office located in Ballard Estate, Mumbai. Ananya Pandey could again be grilled on similar lines, on same questions that were posed to her yesterday. She could be grilled regarding the specific chats where she had communicated with Aryan Khan regarding drugs. There was a communication between the two regarding procurement of drugs, regarding consumption of drugs. And that is the sole reason that the Narcotics Control Bureau has called her again for questioning today. She'll be questioned again on the same lines. She'll be asked again whether she knows any of the drug suppliers, whether she knows any of the drug peddlers, whether she did provide drugs to Aryan Khan, whether she had consumed drugs with Aryan Khan, whether she'd seen Aryan Khan consume drugs, and how long has she known that Aryan Khan was consuming drugs? What kind of drugs were being consumed by both of them? So these are some of the questions that will be posed to Ananya Pandey, that were already posed to her yesterday as well, which she clearly denied. She stated that most of the chats shown to her are more than a year old, and that is why she doesn't remember a lot. But she insisted on one thing, that the communication that the two were having was not regarding drugs. That was regarding cigarettes.
Okay. All right, Divyesh, we'll come back to you for more on that story. We'll continue to keep a very close eye on that